Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. Let's put everything that we have learned from the tutorial video for the song Praise by Elevation Worship. So let's start by clapping. Ready? And we clap. 2, 3, 4. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Clap. 2. Keep clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Put your finger on A. Coming up. Verse. Ready? And we go. And A. Half about A. Half about D. Back to A. A again. E on G sharp. Then we go to D. Back to A now. A again. Keep going on A. Half about A. Half about D. Back to A. 2, 3. A again. E on G sharp. Down to D. Back to A now. And A again. 4 times on E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on D. F sharp minor. And we go to D. Go to A. And E. F sharp minor. D. And A. And E. Verse 2, hold on A. 2, 3, half about A, half about D, back to A. 2, 3, 4, A. E on G sharp. Down to D. Go back to A. A again. A again. Half about A, half about D, back to A. A again. E on G sharp. Go down to D. Back to A now. A again. Chorus 4 times E. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on D. F sharp minor. Bow. Right left. Left right left. D. And A. Bow. Right left. Left right left. E. Right left. Left right left. F sharp minor. To D. Go to A. Down to E. F sharp minor. And D. And A. And E. One last set. F sharp minor. To D. And A. And E. Keep going. And hold on A. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on A. And again. Keep on A. And go. A. And A. And A. Moving up to bridge and A. And B minor. C sharp minor. Going to D. Reset. A. B minor. C sharp minor. And D. Repeat bridge again and A. And B. 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor. And D. Single beat. Let's go. And A. 2, 3. B minor. 2. C sharp minor. And D. Now we're gonna hold F sharp minor. 2, 3. Hold on D. Hold on A now. Hold on E. Go. F sharp minor. Bow. Right left. Left right left. D. Right left. Left right left. Bow. Right left. Left right left. E. And again. F sharp minor. And D. And A. And E. F sharp minor. And D. And A. And E. Kick pattern. Bow. Right left. Left right left. 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 Bow. Right left. Chorus. Chords. F sharp minor. Then D. And A. And E. Keep going. F sharp minor. To D. To A. To E. F sharp minor, instrumental, still D. Still chorus chords. A. E. F sharp minor. Still D. On A. And E. And we are done. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.